Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond School Math by TechLead. One challenging problem, one clear solution. Let's begin. So today we have a question of surds, nested surds. Now let us look at how to tackle these problems. So in surds, nested surds, our main objective is to get rid of this surd somehow, right? So let's look at this innermost surd, right? So if somehow I can find a way to convert this into a perfect square, this surd will, we can get rid of this surd, right? And it'll ease out our problems a bit. So let me just start with that innermost one. So it says it's 1 plus 2013 times 2011. Now this is already 1 square. Let's look at a relationship between these two. If this is x, this will be x minus 2, right? So let's write it in terms of x and x minus 2. So this is 1 plus x into x minus 2, right? Now this is what? If you expand it, it becomes 1 plus x square minus 2x, right? And this is what? X square plus 1 square minus 2x, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is actually a perfect square now. Perfect square of what? X minus 1 whole square. And if you remove the root, it'll become just x minus 1, right? So this thing inside, this thing can be written as, this is x minus 1, 2013 minus 1, which is 2012. All right. So this is nothing but 2012 and the root is removed. Now you have a similar thing, 1 plus 2014 times 2012, again x and x minus 2. So the value of this would be what? 2015, which is my x, right? Sorry, 1 plus 2014 times 2012. So this is x minus 2. So the value of this will be what? It'll be 2013, correct? Now we have 1 plus 2015 times 2013. The value of this inner one will be 2014, x minus 1, 2015 minus 1. Now the value of this one will be 2015, x minus 1. Similarly, the value of this will be 2016, and that's your final answer. So your final answer is 2016, right? So normally in these problems, if you just figure out a way, right, try to write it in a generalized form. So half the problems are sorted, because once the root sign is removed and you find a pattern, it becomes easy for us to tackle the question. All right, so if you've understood this one, let me just take up another similar question and see if this logic works there. All right. So let's look at this question now. Yeah, okay. So now maybe you could pause the video for a while and attempt this question, similar logic, right? All right. Now let us look at this thing inside. Again, we have to start by something. So we'll start by calling it x. Can I find a relationship between x and 19 such that already we have x square? We need something else to make it a perfect square. Now, if I closely see, I can say it's 2x plus 1. Because I need these three numbers for me to make it a perfect square of x plus 1 whole square, right? There could be other ways. If this was x, this could be some other way, but only this assumption helps me, the easiest one, right? So this can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1, generalized form. And this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square, which is x plus 1, right? So this term becomes 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Similar logic. See if it works here. If this is x, this is 19 to the 38. 38 plus 1, 39. So yes. So this term becomes 20. Similarly, this becomes 30. All are similar. Similarly, this would become 640. Right? All right. So now our job, nothing much is left to do now. Now we have to just find what? 10 plus 20, so on till 640. Right? So how do we go about it? Just take a 10 common just to make it simpler. So it's 1 plus 2 plus up till where? up till 64. Correct? Now this, as discussed in yesterday's video also, this is just a normal, regular, natural number arithmetic progression, and you can directly use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. That's the sum of n natural numbers. So it becomes what? 10 into 64 times 65, n into n plus 1 by 2. That makes it 10 times 32 times 65. All right, so that'll be your answer. One more thing, 32 times 65. There's an easier method to do it. We call it crisscross method if you need to save time. You multiply these two numbers. 2 5s are 10, write a 0 here. So what is the carryover? Plus 1. Then you do crisscross, this and this. So 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. Add them. 15 plus 12 is 27. 27, and this was a carryover, 28. So write a 8 plus 2 is carryover. Then do this. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So your answer is 20800 because it was also multiplied by a 10. So that's your summation, right? So if you simplify it, the problem really reduces to a very, very easy problem. Thank you so much. I hope it helped. See you next time. Bye-bye.